So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's tutorial, which is yet another continuation to my PHP coding series, we shall be learning on how to put comments inside our PHP scripts. This is nothing. As coders and developers, it's very important to comment your code. Not only does it help you understand your code at a later point of time, but also if you are working in project groups, it will always help your friends, buddies and other people to understand your code more easily when they try to study it. So definitely commenting is a very important part of coding. Let's see how we comment in PHP. Uh, we have already seen, the way to start PHP is a less than sign followed by a question mark sign, and here say I want to write that this is the syntax to start PHP. So I mean I'm trying to comment on it that this is how we start PHP in our script. So using this two forward strokes or forward slashes as we may call it indicates that you are coding one part of the sentence. See here also I want to code here. Okay, so actually here it is getting over, so I cannot code it once it's gone over, like here it's starting, here it's getting over. So what I can do is I can just do it here. In the next line we are ending PHP script. So I hope that you all are understanding that this two thing is very important. I mean, these two forward strokes are very important to indicate that we are commenting it out. What commenting means is basically this part has no significance to what gets rendered on the screen. Okay, say I write echo world. So when I write echo hello world, I just save this, and like this is inside my PHP coding basic series, and this thing is actually comment 7, so it should only echo out hello world. So you can see it's only echoing out hello world. It doesn't display the comments which we have put. So definitely commenting is just for our own sake and for people who will be reading our code. I mean, if we give them a part of our documentation or something, so it's very good for those people. But as of now, this is just one line commenting when we use the two forward slashes. What if I wanted to comment quite many lines? I mean, say I have to write what the echo thing is all about. So what I can do is I can have the forward slash followed by the asterisk, and then again I end it with the with the asterisk followed by the forward slash, and then here I can write that echo is a PHP construct, is a PHP function rather, to display or rather to print out code. No, not to print out code, to print output on the screen. Sorry, it is similar to print function. The only difference being in speed, and that echo is now more commonly used. I just hope that oh god, that was a severe mistake out here. A lot of typos this morning. But you can see that I didn't have to do, see, I remove this, then I would have to use two forward strokes here, two forward strokes here, two forward strokes here, because these are three lines. I could have written as many lines as I want, but this is what this thing does. Like the forward stroke followed by asterisk helps you write many lines of commenting at once. Otherwise, the way you would have been needing to do it is like have this here, then again this here, then again this here. But rather than doing all that crap, if you just do this, and what this means, as soon as I start here, everything below is getting commented. That's wrong, because I still want to close my PHP, so that is absolutely wrong. So only till the part where you want to comment it out, till that. So this closing is equally important. So this is how you would be commenting in PHP. Obviously, every language has its own way of commenting. In case you are coming from HTML, like when we write some code, say this is a input element, and say this is a input type element or something like that, and say just write the value attribute with hello world, and the variable say text1. So this say is my code here. So say I just save this and I say I print it here. So you can see that this has come here. I will just do one more thing. I will just take a break tag here so that it can come down. But say this HTML, if I wanted to comment it out, what would have been my thing? Like what would I have to do? So there it is, like the less than sign followed by this exclamation mark, then this. So there you go, the comment thing has started, and here I will again have to just do this followed by the exclamation and followed by this sign. And now if I just reload this, oh okay, I have not saved it here, so you can see that's gone. So this is what commenting is all about. It helps you comment your code more easily. Obviously the commenting doesn't get displayed as output on the screen, but it just helps your fellow mates or developers understand your code much better, or even for you to understand your code at a later point of time becomes more easy if you have commented your code really well. So I really advise go and comment your code, but do follow the language constructs for defining those comments. In PHP it is 2 forward strokes for a single line of comment, or it is actually a forward stroke followed by an asterisk for multiple lines of comment, and obviously you have to close that. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial. Until next time, it's me Amnan signing off for the day. Thank you.